free products automatically? There are a few things Temu expects you to do to activate free gift logic, and those vary by region and by promotion. Sometimes Temu expects one of the following before it shows any free gift offers: entering the correct promo entry page, using a special link or QR code signing in as a new user, taking part in an event within the app, completing small interactions the system expects. If none of these are detected, Temu simply shows the regular shopping interface, and no free gift mechanism appears. That's why many people never see it. Not because it's fake, but because it never triggered. Is it worth trying? Here's the honest truth. Yes, Temu Free Gift can work, and it delivers actual items. No, it does not automatically trigger for everyone. It often depends on how you enter and what promotion is active. So the question you should ask next isn't, is Temu Free Gift real? It's, am I entering it the way Temu expects? That's the key difference between people who get free items and those who never see anything. Real tips that actually work. Here's what players who consistently get free stuff do. 1. Use the official activation links. 2. Try codes shortly after they are published. 3. Try new accounts, sometimes if allowed. 4. Look for free gift in the main navigation. 5. Complete the minimal tasks. Temu lists once the offer appears. If you want to try it, the working code is on screen and also in the description. Final verdict. So is Temu Free Gift real? Yes. When used with the right method, it gives real physical items. It's not a scam or a fake trick. It won't always appear if you skip the trigger logic, but you should never rely on it like guaranteed income. It's a promotional offer with conditions, and Temu can update or remove it anytime. So, if you find this informative, drop a comment and let me know. Did you ever try Temu Free Gift before? Did it work for you or not? I read every comment, and I'll try to help you figure out what went wrong. Thanks for watching.